Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tamara's Bargains, and this is part 3 of my video. So if you have not seen my other 2 videos, I will include those down in the link below, and I will link it in the description below, along with my Come With Me videos, but this is part 3. Part 3 is going to show summer finds that I found, outside toys that I found, and food finds that I found. I tried to break up these videos into smaller videos for you to watch and enjoy so that they're not so long. So I hope you enjoy it that way. So the first find that I found at Dollar Tree was they have so many cute summer stuff, like as far as like their cups, their dishes, all their tablecloths, like totally cute. Makes you want to do a total luau. Like, I mean, the cups that I came across, like the first one was Tropical Life. And look at how big this cup is. This is a huge cup. Now, it is not dishwasher safe. It is only recommended to do hand washing, so no dishwasher safe, no microwave safe, and I did not see if it is not like BPA free. So I'm kind of skeptical on this, but the fact that it's so big, this is a 75 ounce, and they had some really cute designs on them. They had a blue and white one. They also had one with the fruit on it. That's the summer vibes. Life is a beach. Life's a beach. So they had a lot of different ones to choose from. Like I said, this is not BPA free. It's not dishwasher safe, but this is a cute idea, a cute product. You know, I don't know. It's a huge cup, 75 ounces, but I don't know. I might use it a couple of times for a water cup, but I mean, as far as their styles, and look at how huge this is. This is so cool. These are like those big gulp cups at 7-Eleven. So, like I said, cute design. Maybe I'll take it out when I go out to one of the resorts with my husband. You know, take the little straw off, and there you go. Really cute. All right, another cup find that I found was this one. Says Summer Vibes, and this one has pineapples and all kinds of little fruit on it, hibiscus, and so cute. And this one is a stemless wine tumbler, and this one is made out of acrylic, of course, and this is the same thing, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, but hand wash. So really cute. I just came across, picked up 2 of those. I mean, I still have mine from last year that I still have the price tags on them, like the tags on them. I haven't used them, and it's all flamingo, so I don't know. I might use it this year. Like I said, this goes with it still from last year's design, so we'll see. You know, came across some more flip-flops. Now guys, they're bringing in toddler flip-flops, even the ones with the little what do you call, like the elastic around them. So they had started putting toddler and baby size at your Dollar Tree, and I picked up an extra pair for Callie. They're her size.
Motion detected at the front.
So end up picking up her more of the flip-flops. They have a lot in stock, a lot of different designs, and now different sizes. So really cool. I was super excited because I was wondering if they were going to end up getting smaller sizes. And so one, another summer item that I found. Now their summer pictures are so cute. This one I came across says "Welcome Sunshine," and it's like a little like lemonade mason jar. So cute. I see a lot of people doing DIYs with it, with they're taking out the fruit, which is easily to remove, and sanding it down and redoing it. But in this case, I think I might keep this one as is because it's actually really cute. But I mean, I don't know. And look at it, it's big. I mean, it's pretty big. But they had a lot of cute ones. I'm going to actually include a little video on the side right there showing which other ones that I've seen too. But like I said, I'm still got mine from last year that still have the tags. And I don't know if I wanted to pick up a lot more this year because I don't know if I'm going to use them or whatnot. Maybe I'll donate them. Maybe run into some people that are going to have a party. I'm like, hey, do you need some decorations? Because I got them. I'm the girl that got them. So they also had some cute baskets that went with the cups. So came across this one, and these ones are pretty big, great for sand toys, putting your blankets in, your towels, the beach type of basket, bag, whatever you want to call this, or you could spray paint and use it as a decoration. I was even thinking of making it like spray painting it like white maybe, and then putting that nautical rope in between here, making it look more nautical looking. I don't know, I'm still playing with it. Or I just might put all my kids like outside toys and be like, here, grab it and go play. So I don't know, but they had these. These also came in blue, turquoise, and this color. I don't know if they're gonna have other colors out too. I just seen those 3 colors, but I grabbed that one. I thought that was a really good find. But oh my God, okay, so the amazing find for this video is t-shirts. They had t-shirts in at my Dollar Tree, which was really, really exciting. Really good if you're gonna do like t-shirts for summertime for the kids, but came across youth size. And this one is by All Style. And the colors that they had at my store was this color. They had yellow, and then they had a navy blue 2X, and they had 2 of the what do you call them? Oh, the tank top ones. So, and then they had this one, Gildan, and purple, so adult size. So came across those. I was actually really excited to find t-shirts at the Dollar Tree, so that was a great find. So another item that I came across was beach toys. So we are all familiar with the noodles, the classic noodles. So they had a lot of these in stock, and they also had these little like bottom piece looking sets. I should have got one because I could also use it for DIYs too. Totally thinking I need to grab them. But anyways, they had a lot of noodle stuff so in stock. So really good. Like Dollar Tree's summer section is huge. I would check it out. But came also across this, a pool noodle chair. And like I said, I normally go to resorts with my husband, and so this summer I think we're gonna go, and I'm excited. I want to try this out, see if it works. Give you a review later on this. But let's see how this works out or looks right now. Okay. How does this supposed to go? Oh, okay. Okay. Let's try it out. So we're gonna put the little noodle through here. Okay, step 1. Well, it's actually not that hard to put together, of course. But does it float? Does it work? That's the question. Okay, almost got my side done. All right. Is this big enough for an adult, or is this for like only a kid size? I don't know. Let's see. Whew, sweating a little. All right, almost done, guys. All right. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, okay. So got us a pool noodle chair. Let's see if this works. Have to try it out. But they got cool stuff like this in stock. So if you come across that, grab that. Also some other toys that I got for outside, because with the weather changing, it's getting a little bit warmer. Why not send the kids outside, right? They need their vitamin C and some exercise. So got them some little nets for them to go catch some bugs. We have some interesting bugs out here. So came across that. Then they also have these cute little by Backyard Travels, some bug catching kits. So grab that. Like I said, we got some interesting little bugs. I know in my other haul, I said that we had a snake in my house, and I hate snakes. I hate them. Okay, hate is such a strong word. I won't even say hate. We don't have an understanding. Lizards, I'm cool with lizards, but snakes, no. But anyways, got my kids some catching stuff. So if they want to play with little garden snakes, whatever, just don't bring them in the house. Keep that outside. Got some catching sets. Hey, I even threw it in a basket for you to hurry up and go catch that snake. Go. Enjoy. So another item you came across for kids going outside. I'm all for it. Kites. They had a lot of kites and stuff. Kites in stock. I will include the picture as well in the corner. Now they have Star Wars, Baby Yoda. Who cannot pass up Baby Yoda? He actually, every store that I went to was gone, pretty much gone, one left. So Baby Yoda was a popular one, and Baby Shark, because they had Baby Shark too at Dollar Tree. Really cute. That was gone pretty much. They also had Barbie. They also had, what other ones? I wrote them all down. They have Barbie, Frozen, Spider-Man, and Paw Patrol, and Iron Man. So if you come across them, grab them. We also have these really, really cool bubble flying discs. And these also came in colors like yellow and orange. And now I also picked up a big thing of bubbles, but I actually gave one of these to my kids, and they said it worked out right. The thing about it is they had to use the whole thing of the 32-ounce bubbles, and that actually took up this whole disc. So now I gotta go stock up on more bubbles, but to get it working, I think it's actually pretty cool. It's really, really big, and it's a frisbee, so they liked that. So some food items that also these I came across. Like I said, got bug catching sets. Now we got to keep them away, keep the bug bites, you know? So Centinela wristbands, came up with these. They got them, these were by the register and also by Beauty Care on one of the clips. No, I told a story. The summer care stuff. So on strip clips, they had these. So came across these, yellow and blue. They also had red, black, white, pink. They had a lot of colors to choose from. And this is by Buggables and Pits. So one size fits all pretty much. Like I said, multi-colors, keeps those bugs off of them. Came across those. Some of the food finds that I found were Kitchen Fixin' Tricolor Tortilla Chips, and this is actually a rebuy for me. I've been making chicken tortilla soup. Oh my God, totally love it. So this is definitely what we need, the topping, the garnishment. So got these couple bags of these, and actually we used one earlier today because that's what we had for lunch, was chicken tortilla soup. And I promise you, with the kids always being at home, I'm cooking like 3 or 4 times a day. So that's why I got an air fryer, something simple. Hey, you want like chicken nuggets that taste like McDonald's? Hey, put them in my air fryer. Healthier choice for you, and there you go. So came across these. Pick those up if you like chicken tortilla soup, or put them on your salads, but really, really good find. They also had Herbal Helper Tea. They had these at an end cap with some other coffee cups that were really cool. I didn't pick those up because I didn't need them, and I'm not gonna pick up stuff really I don't need. So this one was this one is Immunity Boost. I thought this was really good since I know we're still fighting that Rona. So grab this one. They also had Brain Boost, and they also had Detox Boost. So if I come across them again, I'll try the other two, but I thought this was really good. You know, you could always get your immunity up. So another 2 great finds that I found that I'm actually really excited for is Kingsford Cajun style all-purpose seasoning, spicy Louisiana classic seasoning. I love different seasonings, and I thought this was a great find. I came across this. And also Red Lobster signature seafood seasoning. Now, I'm not even gonna tell you no stories. I made last month crab legs for the first time, and I wish I would have found this. I made it 2 weeks ago. I wish I would have had this then, because I got extra boxes of their biscuits, and oh my God, so freaking good. So now that I got this, I'm gonna have to do crab legs again, and I end up getting like the crab leg set, to crack the crab legs and everything, and it was a hit in my house. So my kids loved it, my husband loved it. So we're gonna do this again. We're gonna do it, I don't know, not over the weekend. We're going out to the range again, and a couple other things this weekend, but I won't do it this weekend, but maybe sometime next week. But I did with the crab legs, I did this, crab legs, and what was my side dish? It was asparagus, and I did what is that, Olive Garden's Copycat salad. I have their dressing that I got from Walmart and their croutons, and so we just kind of mixed Red Lobster with Olive Garden. Who doesn't like them too? So if you come across these at Dollar Tree, well, this I didn't get at Dollar Tree, I got this at Walmart, but this one I did. So I'm so excited. I want to try it. Like, yeah, I'm gonna try it soon. So came across this. Like I said, I found some great finds this time. So Normally I don't do food finds, but I guess I will start. I mean, they had a lot of name brand foods that I recommend, so why not try them? But how cool is that? Like I said, we're gonna have Red Lobster sometime this week. I know it. So again, this is part 3 of my video. I hope you've seen the other 2 Dollar Tree hauls, and I hope you guys liked. So please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and TikTok. So have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my future videos. And I also have another Come With Me that I will be including as well on my channel. So have a blessed night.